This is a press conference that was convened to present the 5th meeting of the World Congress of Freedom of Scientific Research, which will be held here at the European Parliament from the 11th to the 13th of April of this year. The title we chose for this 5th gathering is Science for Democracy, Towards the Human Rights to Science. During the 3-day discussions, we will try to include as much as possible the theme of the scientific method as a possible ally of the decision-making process, not only because we believe that decisions should be taken on evidences, possibly scientific evidences, but also the way in which scientists dialogue all over the world, sharing information, engaging in public and transparent debates, based on facts rather than just opinions, would be in a moment in which, not only within the European Union, but around the world, democracy is not living in the best possible situation. We believe it could be a contribution to how liberal democracies should live on a daily basis.